Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Evelyn Ambrose, recording from Abuja in Nigeria. So this is a highly requested video. I did a live video and a lot of you were wondering how I was able to lose weight so quickly. So I just wanted to come out here to share this recipe that helped me lose so much weight in a short period of time. So if you're interested in this video, then let's get right into it. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing the benefits of this tea to your system and also show you how you can prepare the tea. Please don't hesitate to give this video a huge thumbs up so more people can see this video and also enjoy the benefits of this tea. And yes, if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. Don't hesitate to follow me on Instagram. I reply to my DMs. All right, let's get into this video. So the first benefit of this tea is that it helps you eliminate waste from the previous day. Another benefit of this tea is that it helps you balance the minerals in your body. If you take this tea constantly, you notice that your skin tends to be soft and smooth. I cannot even begin to explain how good this tea is to your skin. It helps give you a clear skin. Now, if you have cold, this tea is a perfect remedy for your cold. One of the major things this tea does for you is it aids your metabolism. So it helps you burn down your food quickly after your meal. So in order for you to lose weight, you need to control the way you eat, okay? And that is one of the things this tea does for you. It helps reduce your hunger cravings. If you begin to take this tea, you will definitely forget about coffee because this is a very natural way to be alert every morning. Once I started taking this tea, I noticed that my hair grew so fast. So if you want your hair to grow fast, then this tea is good for you. So those are some of the benefits that I experienced while I was taking this tea, and I'm sure that you would experience it when you begin to take your tea. Okay, now I am sharing this recipe because I know that you need it and you will take it seriously. It's not just for you to listen to me. I would want you to take it seriously. So if you're interested in losing weight, then I feel like you need to start doing this thing daily. Now I'm going to show you how to prepare this tea. Once I'm done, I will tell you how to take the tea. So that is how you prepare the tea. So you take a glass of this tea 3 hours before every meal in the morning. So it's better to take it as soon as you wake up in the morning. So you take it first thing in the morning and then the last thing you take before you sleep. I need you to try this recipe for 7 days and come back and testify. Okay, I'll be waiting to see your comments in the comment section once you've tried it and it works for you. All right guys, I hope someone found this video helpful. If you need more videos like this, check out the playlist after this video, and until next time, this is Evelyn Ambrose saying bye.